Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to display all relation data on view. Okay, so it continue from one-to-one relation. So if you do not look or see my previous video one-to-one relation, you cannot do like this. Okay, so you need to look back and see my video. Okay, so in this we will learn how to create view for display relation data and create function for get all relation data. Okay, so in the previous video we will already have create two model for connecting. Okay, you can see here two model, user and account, for connecting to my database table here, accounts and user. Okay, and we also have one controller for create the function and get the data from both of both of tables. Okay, and we have the route for running the function. So in this, okay, let me refresh my result in previous videos. You can refresh this. Okay, this is the result. So now I want to show both account information and also user information on a single page and display it in blend. Okay, in display it in view. So let me create one view. So I go to resource view, we create user.blend.php. So in here I create one table. So table tr.tt. So here I put my user ID and username and account names. Okay, account number. Actually, account number is not in the tables user. Okay, you can see, but we have a relation in account table and we will get the account name from these tables. Okay, so let me test it. I go back to my controller, user controller, and I create one parameter, data equals user. Okay, and let me put all first. I want to test it first and return to view. My view is users. So user, and I want to pass data. Here is my key data and is the data. Okay, let me save it and I go back to view and I use for each and I copy this. Okay, and this is data as dt. We can write like this, and I write in here user dt ID. Okay, so let me refresh it again. Okay, you can see here it run now. So let me go to here. I want to get both data, so I need to use the keyword use, and I get the function. The function is in the user model. You can see here is the get account. I use this, copy it, and we use the keyword get. Okay, so let me save and refresh it. Okay, so let me I forgot to put tr. Okay, so let me create like this, and I put the border, save it, let me refresh it. Okay, so okay, before I show the data here, I need to show the structure of the array of data. So I need to show data like this, save it and refresh. You can see here is the key ID and name. Okay, so I need to put here, copy this and pass here, name, let me refresh, advanced, and I want to show user account, bank account here. So let me look here, get accounts, and in get account we have account name here. So in this case we need to define like this, copy it and pass in here. We need sorry like this, and we need to define get accounts, and here is account number. Okay, save it, refresh it. Okay, you can see here is it's correct. Right now let me to delete this and refresh it again. So is that fine, and it is how to show the data on the view. Okay, so that's all for my presentation, and the next video we will learn how to understand one to many relation. Okay, so thank you for watching.